Hello guys, this side Arpit Chakravarti and today I am discussing about the audio recording in videos. Actually, at the time when we get this kind of distance in camera and the audio devices, so we get some noisy sounds. I would like to suggest the best thing is we can record the video, and the best thing is dubbing. Okay, so I think that dubbing is the best part, that we are shooting a video, then we are doing dubbing. So I think dubbing would be very good thing, because when we shoot outside, when we shoot outdoor, so we get a big noise out there. So I think shooting there is very difficult to record clear and high definition sound. So I think there we can use the dubbing. See, dubbing is the really best part when we are recording any video. So after recording the video, we need to do the dubbing. What is the dubbing method, so we need to record the dialogue. Just after wait for a while of 1 second or 2 second, you take a pause and repeat the same dialogue and same sentences there, and you can get the exact dubbing out there. Thank you. So here I have recorded few videos and some audios I have recorded. In some sound, actually, we really need crunch. Voice में crunch, एक clarity, breathing, exhaustion, surrounding sounds, little the feeling of sound. All things are important. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हमें एक साउंड में कवर करनी होती है, जो हम एक अच्छे ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग डिवाइस से ही कर सकते हैं. साउंड रिडक्शन एप्लीकेशंस कुछ हद तक हेल्प करती है और कुछ हद तक नहीं भी, लेकिन हमारी प्रायोरिटी होती है कि हम पहले तो ऑडियो को बहुत बेहतरीन रिकॉर्ड करें जितना हम कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद आपके एप्लीकेशंस उसको और ज़्यादा क्लैरिफाई करते हैं. थैंक यू.